before we get any further into this video, if you haven't watched the previous video, I explain what has been going on with the channel, why I haven't been posting. So if you haven't seen that video, go watch that, please. Also, I showed a little sneak peek of the shop. You can see the part I was talking about right there. If you guys want to see like a full shop tour from, you know, when I first got it till now, maybe not like a transformation video, but like just a tour of the shop of you know, what it looks like now. I put a lot of work into this place, and it's actually really cool. It's like a little mini fantasy factory now. Not even close really to that, but it's like a Dollar General fantasy factory. Maybe even worse, but either way, it's a blast to hang out here. Obviously, you got a gym, got the man cave I'm in now right here, and of course the shop there. Play golf in the backyard, unlimited amount of room in the back. I kind of want to do that, do like a full shop tour. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I think you guys are really gonna like it, and I'm back, guys. So let's go. All right, guys. We are actually heading to the shop right now. I'm going to the shop right now. We're gonna try to clear some space, meaning, as you guys can tell by the title, we're pulling the engine on the 24 valve because that old frame needs to get out of there. It's taking up way too much room in the shop. We're just wasting the shop, honestly, with that frame sitting there. So I'm gonna pull the engine today. Hopefully everything comes out pretty easily. I did a little bit of prep work yesterday. I didn't film it, didn't have my camera with me. But me and Buey are heading to the shop. Rory might stop by, depending on what he's doing. But I only got like 2 bolts I need to pull, and then I'm gonna, hopefully my engine hoist I got has enough clearance to get it out of the frame. I'm hoping. So I will see you guys up there. We are gonna see if we can get that done. I might try to get the suspension, the front end of that thing, the front axle, and all the suspension components off it as well. That's if everything goes smooth with the engine hoist and pulling the engine. And best case scenario is we get all that stuff off the truck, and I can actually pull the frame out of the shop and maybe put it in the front yard, and then Rory can help me relocate it with the forklift. But I can use the Viking, the Yamaha side-by-side in there, and I can pull it out of the shop if I need to. I'll use like wheel dollies and stuff to get it out of the shop. So, or I can use the old riding lawnmower, which came in really clutch yesterday. I used it to move a jet ski trailer to the back of the shop. Again, I didn't have my camera, but I pulled it from the front of the shop to the back with the old riding lawnmower, the old zero turn, and it worked out perfect. So, all right, guys, I will see you guys at the shop. I was just leaving my parents, so I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, let's we're gonna get these somewhat loose. Okay, that's probably fine. That'll work. All right, do the other side. Hopefully this thing comes out pretty easy. Now I'm going to be adding more straps. This is not, you know, the professional way of doing this. And our problem is this no longer has like the back lift point. We just have this one. I'm going to be putting up another strap or 2 on here. I know this engine weighs like 1,200 pounds. At this setting, this thing is meant to lift 2 tons. Each one of these straps is rated for like 2,000 or 1,100 pounds. There's 2 of them. We'll see. I'm gonna add more to it before I actually start lifting it. I'm gonna see if I can break it loose at least, and then once we get it high enough where we can actually start clearing, which I'm hoping this will go tall enough to clear. If not, Rory will bring the forklift over. We'll use the forklift to get it out of here. So either way, we'll get it. This thing is no joke. These old 5.9s are not light. Yeah, I think so. Yep. I'm in.
Beautiful symphony. Hi, I haven't been on YouTube in 2.5 years.
Checking in a month later. This is Rory.
Resurrected Diesel on YouTube.
Yeah, kept his recent upload
90 days ago.
from May. Because it's January upload.
Look at that. I didn't have to worry about nothing. Just in there like swimwear, baby.
We got that. I'm gonna slowly probably just lower this down. All right, that's good. Alright, so I am about to put in the new motor for my Air Dog. The Air Dog lift pump on the 12 valve. Still works. I'm changing the filters, of course, as well. But the problem is the motor on that keeps blowing fuses. I think something's just wrong with the motor. It's fairly old, so Air Dog actually sent me a new one, like the newer style. I guess like a quieter one. Runs a lot smoother, and they said I shouldn't blow fuses with this one. I mean, I was blowing, like, it was getting to the point where like it wouldn't even blow the fuse. It would just like heat up the little fuse housing there and like melt it. Like, it's pretty, I'll show you here in a second when I do that, but I'm gonna probably replace that, cut that, and put a fresh one in. guys, so that is gonna do it for this video. What you just watched was basically filmed a couple months ago, and this is current. Me filming right now. It's like the end of November, so all the stuff you guys see from here on out will be pretty current stuff. Now that I'm back to you know, posting, I missed it, I really did. And for those of you that reached out and commented on the last video, I really appreciate you. A lot of you guys, some of you guys were going through the same thing, and it was cool to see that, you know, maybe the video helped you guys or whatever. And yeah, so that was cool. I appreciate all you guys' kind words and all that. So if you're in the same boat as me, like I said, reach out. If I can help, I will, obviously. And yeah, I appreciate every one of you guys for the support and watching all my videos. I apologize for the long you know, break from YouTube. It wasn't planned. So but yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. We're back, and I got a lot of exciting stuff planned, so be on the lookout for the next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, never mind, I gotta earn you guys trust back. So yeah, be on the lookout for the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.